Hey, this is Keith with How to Build Your Own Home, and we are starting a Pioneer Restoration Project. I'll give you more details on this. I just want to give kind of an introduction to this project. We've actually started excavation inside, and I'm going to walk you through that and show you what we're doing. But this here is an old Pioneer home that was originally built wood on dirt, literally wood on dirt. Now, some of the wood, a lot of it's rotted inside. But there's some wood that's still in good shape. We're going to try to preserve as much as we can. The whole frame structure we're going to save, but it's the foundation. Foundation is the big issue on this home. So let me walk you through it. I've got my excavators here, who's actually my concrete subcontractor as well. I've got a really good situation where he's doing the excavation work. And he's also going to do the concrete work, and it actually worked out great. So we're excavating it out, getting ready for a geotech to come in here and do some compaction on the foundation on the inside. But this is exciting to save a very, very old home. In fact, I think this is the oldest home up here in this area. I've remodeled and restored an old Pioneer home across the street. So let's walk you through, and I'll give you kind of an explanation as to what we're doing and how we're doing it and why. So let's walk through it. Okay, very interesting. It's dark in here right now, so I hope I have some light. But I wanted to show you down here what we're doing. This here is the foundation, and you can see how a lot of the original beamwork, it rested on a rock over here, and it rested on a rock way down on the other end over there, and that's all rotted out. This building would not last much longer at all. But I wanted to share something with you here. We're going to take this down 3 feet. You see how my guys are digging this out. This side of the house literally has a spring coming through the foundation this way. When we put on the stem wall, a lot of that's going to stop, but it's not going to have any chance to wake up. But I'm thinking right here, you can feel this. This here is literally damp. Just damp, like that. It'll compact nice, but it sure is taking on a lot of water, because outside there's a spring about 50 feet away that way. But this is the only section of the house where it's coming in. Let me show you over here. This here's the main level. This is where all the wood beams are. But this here is the original floor, right here. And what we're doing, you can see in this room, is we're taking out the floor 3 feet down. We're digging out that much dirt all the way down. It's real, kind of an intense structure. And this is what you have to do with a home that literally has no foundation. The foundation has been wood just sitting on dirt, rotting. This fireplace over here, we have to take out that fireplace. It's just got too much damage. But we're going to preserve this fireplace over here. So, and it's a ginger situation right now, because we're taking out all the dirt up to basically the foundation. And I indicated to the clients that that's where the tenuous situation is going to be on this build is really to, I've got to take that dirt. I'll show you in here. I got to jump down. I literally have to take this new foundation wall right up to the wall here, because we're going to cantilever out with some beam structure to capture this wall, and it's going to rest on that cantilevered floor that we're actually going to shoot out in that direction. I'll give you a lot more posts on this, and we'll do some before and after. But I've dealt with stuff like this before, and if you start from the bottom and you get it done right, even though it's tenuous and there's a lot of risk involved, you can actually build a foundation where this house can really last another 100, 200 years. That's what we're trying to deal with right now. It's gonna be fun. This is the Pioneer Home Restoration up here in Pine Valley. We're not going to gut the inside yet, because that's gonna make a whole mess for the excavators. So we're gonna leave the popcorn ceiling like you see up there. We're gonna leave the lath on the walls for now. And then when they're done and they've poured their footings and their foundation, their stem wall, and that's all done, then we're gonna put a new floor in here, and then we're gonna gut all that, put some protection on the floor and just tear everything off, because we need to eliminate the waste. I've got to get several hydraulic jacks to just lift this building in various corners, one section at a time. It's not going to be easy, but I'm excited about it. It's fun to take something on like this and work through it, be here and guide your guys and talk with people and make sure you schedule things right. The best thing of all with this job right now is that we're doing it pretty much at the best time available. In our neck of the woods, we have what's called a monsoon season, and that hits us really hard in August. We've passed that. So from mid-September to all the way to November, that's really kind of a cool, dry season, dry opportunity. So we're taking advantage of that, and if we can get this done real quick, at least the scary part done real quick, get the shell protected, then we can work through the winter on other things as the weather permits. This is gonna be a fun job. This is the Pioneer Restoration Home, and it's gonna be an interesting project to save an old home like this. The entire neighborhood wants to see it done, so I'm excited to do that. This is Keith with How to Build Your Own Home, giving you your first original start date. And it's, what's the date today? September 21st or something like that. And that's when we'll start. And we've got a couple of good months to see if we can't get the bulk of this done. So you guys take care. I wanted to hurry and get a video on this before they started to get too much done, so you can see the before and after. So there's a crew right here having lunch right now as they get ready to eat and then jump back in there. You guys take care. Bye.